Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 dehumidifier. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 5, Shinko 30L Electric Dehumidifier. Specifications. Brand name, Shinko. Model number, SDZ1-30D. Working temperature range, 30% to 80%. Fan speed, 2. Coverage area, 376 square foot. Capacity, 30 pints/24 H. Application, 31 to 40 square meters. Water tank capacity, 4.1 to 6 L. Power, 501 to 1000 watts. Voltage, 220 volts. Product number 4, Shinko Electric Dehumidifier. Specifications. Brand name, Shinko. Model number, SDL5-10D. Working temperature range, 30% to 80%. Fan speed, 2. Coverage area, 161 square foot. Capacity, 10 pints/24 H. Application, 11 to 20 m superscript 2. Water tank capacity, 1.1 to 2.5 L. Power, 200 watts. Voltage, 220 volts. Product number 3, Electric Dehumidifier with Drain Hose 1.2 m. Specifications. Brand name, 7 Magic. Fan speed, 3. Capacity, 16 L. Application, 60 square meters. Dehumidification volume, 1.1 L/H to 3 L/H. Water tank capacity, 2.6 to 4 L. Power, 500 watts. Voltage, 220 volts. Origin, China. Product number 2, Portable Dehumidifier. Specifications. Brand name, Dehumidifier. Noise, 50 dB. Working temperature range, 30 degrees Celsius. Coverage area, 215 sq foot. Capacity, 350 ml/d, 30 degrees Celsius 80% RH. Application, 11 to 20 m superscript 2. Dehumidification volume, 1.1 L/H. Water tank capacity, 1.1 to 2.5 L. Power, 22.5 watts. Voltage, 220 volts. Product number 1, Air Dehumidifier. Specifications. Brand name, Balashov. Noise, 40 dB. Working temperature range, 350 ml/d, 30 degrees Celsius, 80% RH. Application, 11 to 20 m superscript 2. Power, 36 watts. Voltage, 220 volts to 110 volts. Origin, China.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.